What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release May 7th. If you want to pick these joints up early, you can do so. Head over to the website, fineline1721.com. They are shipping out right now ahead of the release date. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 9 Retro, Chili Red, and Black, size 10.5, we're going to be taking a look at. Nike brought these boxes back a couple years ago to represent the releases for Retro 9s, Retro 10s, and I believe Retro 8s might come in this box as well. Lift top lid, little trash bag paper. Pull that back and let's get into these shoes. These joints definitely will remind you of the Motorboat Jones that came out in the Kilroy pack almost about a decade ago. Few differences right off of the bat is the Motorboat Jones was definitely a deeper red, different materials, and it also had black thread in the uppers. The material that is used on these Retro 9s, it almost kind of feels like it's a nylon material, very, very reminiscent to the Air Jordan 12 nylon. So basically, you know, if you kind of hit these with a little bit of Crep Protect or something like that, any liquids will probably just bead right off of this material. Patent leather, ankle collar, wrapping around to the mud guard, shiny coat of paint on the midsole, red Jumpman logo sitting on top of the black outsole. As you can see here, all black outsole, red Jumpman logo as well. Taking a look at the medial side, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Taking a look at the heels of the shoe, red globe, red Jumpman logo, and the black 2-3. These Retro 9s is definitely a must cop in my personal opinion. Retro 9s is one of the more popular silhouettes out of the Air Jordan collection. Once you throw a hot colorway on them, they definitely sell out, and Retro 9s have not been slept on at all over the last couple of years. Almost every single color of Retro 9s that has been released, especially with this whole patent leather mud guard, they have been flying off the shelf. So I do not expect these to be any different. So if you are a fan of these joints and you want to pick these joints up, head over to the website, fineline1721.com. They are shipping out right now. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.